Hi, this is Natalie Gets Crafty, where I share Cricut tips, tricks, and tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to make a customized jewelry box, which is a great bridesmaid gift if you're getting married and you're planning to give people a couple of goodies when you're asking them to be your bridesmaid. For this project, you need iron-on material, and you don't need a lot for a jewelry box, so I'm just trimming it down to a smaller size and putting it on my cutting mat so that I can load this into my Cricut Joy Xtra. I'm using Cricut Iron-On, or it's also known as HTV, and for this brand, you put the shiny side down and the matte side up when it's cutting. Also, make sure you mirror your design in Design Space before you start cutting. Now that my machine is done cutting, I'm just going to preheat my EasyPress Mini, and in the meantime, I will begin weeding out my design. Weeding just means taking out the excess part of the material that you don't want in your design. So I'm pulling off all of the unnecessary background and also removing all the little inside pieces of the letter. Now I'm going to heat press the first layer. I have this white background layer here. I'm being careful not to let the heat press touch the exposed areas of the jewelry box because it is a plasticky material. If you're not too confident about that step, you can always use a piece of Teflon sheet to protect the box better. Now I repeat the same process with the top layer. If you're not sure about the time and temperature settings for your project, you can always check the Cricut Heat Guide, which I will link in the description. And you're done. This was a super simple 5-10 minute Cricut project, and it's such a great gift for your friends.